So here's how you can create a YouTube automation channel and start making videos on your channel. It's actually quite easy to do, but you want to make sure that you watch this full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So very first thing that we need to do is actually hop on to Fiverr right over here. And basically, in order to create a YouTube automation channel, you must have a channel to be created in the first place. So right over here in the Fiverr homepage, go ahead and click on search services on the top and simply just type in this: YouTube channel, profile pic, and banner, and you're going to see a lot of different gigs where people are offering to sell you a custom profile picture as well as banner, because you need to make sure you have your own brand to start your YouTube channel. So go ahead and buy any one of these gigs. You can see you can get one for pretty cheap, like just $14. You get a simple banner. You can get a banner and profile picture for around like $27, $28, and essentially just set up your channel by adding a profile picture and a banner to signify your brand, and there you go, you have now made a YouTube automation channel.